Satar, a system professor in the Chemical Engineering Department of LJIT Ahmedabad. In this lecture, I am going to start new topic of the Mass Transfer Operation 1. So let's start. Chapter name is Equipments for Gas Liquid Operations and topic is Gas and Liquid Dispersed Equipments. So you can see on the screen now. Now we will see meaning of liquid dispersed equipment and gas dispersed equipment. So what is the meaning of liquid dispersed? So you can see on the screen. First point related to the liquid dispersed. Liquid dispersed means the liquid is dispersed in the form of droplets or discontinuous films in a continuous gas phase. It means whatever the liquid is present, whatever the liquid stream is flowing, that is a dispersing in the gas phase. That is nothing but liquid dispersed phenomena. If I am saying gas dispersed, means stationary film is nothing but your liquid and gas is a dispersed from the liquid. So you can see on the screen, the gas dispersed in the liquid in the form of bubbles. That is nothing but gas is a dispersing into the liquid, and in a liquid dispersed, liquid is a dispersing into the gas. Okay, so this is the difference between gas dispersed and liquid dispersed. This difference can be asked in your interview, that what is the difference between gas dispersed equipment and liquid dispersed equipment. Simple words I can say, gas dispersed means gas is a dispersing to the liquid and liquid dispersed means liquid is a dispersing through the gas. Sometimes both gas and liquid phases are in a continuous flowing, and the example for that, the falling film contactor, which used for the gas liquid reactions. Okay, so these 3 points are very important for gas dispersed and liquid dispersed, or I can say both phases are in a continuous manner. Best example for that is nothing but a falling film contactor. After that, last point related to this is tray and packed columns are most widely used for gas liquid contacting for gas absorption, stripping and distillation. So tray column is nothing but example for the gas dispersed and packed column is nothing but example for the liquid dispersed. We will discuss all these equipments, or I can say examples for the liquid dispersed and gas dispersed in coming slides. But before that, just see here, tray column is the example for the gas dispersed and packed column is the example for liquid dispersed. Now we will see more example in next slide. You can see on the screen, these are the examples for gas dispersed equipment and liquid dispersed equipment. So gas dispersed equipments are nothing but plate column followed by bubble cap column, sieve plate column, after that valve tray column and agitated vessels followed by sparged vessel. So these equipments are nothing but gas dispersed equipment, means here gas is a dispersed through the liquid. After that, liquid dispersed phenomena. Now we will see example for liquid dispersed, that is nothing but packed tower followed by spray tower followed by Venturi scrubber, or I can say Venturi towers and weighted wall towers. So all these examples are industrial example for gas dispersed and liquid dispersed operation, that is nothing but gas liquid contactors. Now we will see some important points related to this gas dispersed and liquid dispersed equipments. So first point is related to the plate column. According to this point, a plate column or a tray column is a chemical equipment used to carry out unit operations where it is necessary to transfer mass between a liquid phase to the gas phase, or I can say between the liquid phase and gas phase. In other words, it is a particularly gas liquid contactor. What is meaning of this line? Means here we are using plate column or a tray column in a distillation column. I told you to separate the liquid mixture, we can use distillation column. And the distillation column is nothing but plate column or tray column. And here gas is a dispersing through the liquid, means whatever the feed solution, that is nothing but liquid mixture, we are transferring that mixture to the reboiler. After that, vapors are generated from the reboiler. That vapor is nothing but a gas phase of the solution. In that gas phase is a dispersing through the liquid, which is coming from the top section to the bottom section. And this dispersed media, that is nothing but vapor media, is coming from the bottom section to the top section. That's why this operation is nothing but gas dispersed operation, means I can say distillation is nothing but gas dispersed operation, and plate column or tray column, or I can say distillation column, is the example of gas dispersed equipment. Now we will see next point, that is related to the liquid dispersed phenomena, or I can say packed tower. So you can see on the screen now, in a chemical processing, a packed bed is a hollow tube, pipe or other vessels that is filled with packing material, and in that packed tower we can also fill catalyst to increase the rate of the reaction. So next point is packed bed may also contain catalyst particle or adsorbent such as zeolite pellet or granular activated carbon. So meaning of this line is nothing but we can use catalyst particle in the packed bed to increase the rate of the reaction, or I can say to increase the rate of the mass transfer. After that, zeolite pellet or granular activated carbon can be used for the adsorption purpose. Okay, so this is the meaning of this line. After that, next point is the purpose of packed bed is typically to improve the contact between two phases in a chemical or similar processes. It means we can use here packed bed to increase the contact time between liquid phase and gas phase. I told you packed bed is nothing but liquid dispersed phenomena, okay, or I can say liquid dispersed equipment. So here packed bed providing better contact between liquid and gas to increase the mass transfer rate. Okay, so this is the meaning of this line, that is nothing but packed bed providing better contact time between the liquid phase and gas phase. And last point is packed bed can also be used in a chemical reactors or a distillation column. Means in a distillation column we can also use packed bed. If our liquid mixture is corrosive in nature, at that time we can go for the packed bed. Okay, so these are the important points related to the packed bed and tray column. After that, now we will see important point related to the spray tower. So spray tower is also liquid dispersed phenomena, means the liquid is dispersing through the gas phase. So this is nothing but important point related to the spray tower. You can see on the screen now, a spray tower is a gas liquid contactor used to achieve mass and heat transfer between a continuous gas phase and dispersed liquid phase. It consists of empty cylindrical vessel made of steel or plastic and nozzles that spray liquid into the vessel. I told you in a spray tower, continuous flowing phase is nothing but your gas phase. Whatever the spraying media, or I can say dispersing media, that is your liquid phase. Okay, so by using this spray tower we can use liquid dispersed operation in industry as well. After that, next point is mass transfer in agitated vessel. Now agitated vessel is nothing but gas dispersed equipment, means gas is dispersing through the liquid. So in a mass transfer in agitated vessel usually involve dispersed gases absorbing into and often reacting with continuous liquid phase. So I told you in agitated vessels also we are using dispersed media is nothing but your gaseous media, or I can say gas phase is the dispersing media and continuous flowing media is nothing but your liquid phase. Okay, so in agitated vessel also we can use gas dispersed media. We will see figure for this in coming slides. Next point is sparged vessel. So sparged vessel is nothing but it is also gas dispersed equipment. In sparged vessel, sparging takes place. In sparging means gas flushing. Gas flushing means gas is dispersing into the liquid. Okay, means the dispersed media is nothing but your gas phase and continuous flowing media is nothing but your liquid phase. So these are the important example for gas liquid contactor, or I can say gas dispersed equipment. So best example are nothing but your tray column followed by sparged vessel and agitated vessel. So you can see on the screen, this point is related to the Venturi scrubber. Best thing about this Venturi scrubber is here we are using high velocity stream of the gas to atomize the liquid. Okay, so according to this point you can see on the screen now, a Venturi scrubber is designed to effectively use the energy from high velocity of the inlet gas stream to atomize the liquid being used to scrub the gaseous stream. I told you here we are using energy of the high velocity gaseous stream to atomize the liquid stream. Next, liquid dispersed equipment is falling film column, or I can say weighted wall column, or I can say falling film contactor. It is a particular chemical equipment used to achieve mass and heat transfer between two phases. After that, it is essentially formed by vertically tube shaped vessel. Okay, and the liquid stream flows through the inner wall of the tube and the gaseous stream flows in a corresponding of the center of the tube. It means whatever the gaseous stream is available in this equipment, that is flowing through the tube, and whatever the liquid stream is available, that is flowing through the walls of the tube. So these are the important points related to the liquid dispersed equipment. Now we will see some important figures for the liquid dispersed and gas dispersed equipment. So you can see on the screen, first figure for the plate column. this is nothing but distillation column, or I can say tray column or plate column to separate liquid mixture. Okay, so here we can see the feed plate is available. Above feed plate section is nothing but a rectifying section, below feed plate section is nothing but stripping section. After that we are having here two heat exchangers. First one is a reboiler that is available in the stripping section, and second one is a condenser that is available in the upper section, that is a rectifying section. There is a reflux ratio. That reflux ratio is nothing but L by D, means ratio of the liquid stream to the distillate stream. After that, in a bottom section there is also one ratio, that is a boil up ratio, and that boil up ratio is V by B. Now we will see another figure that is for the packed column, and this is the example for liquid dispersed equipment. So you can see on the screen now, this is the figure for liquid dispersed equipment, that is a packed column. Here we are having gas outlet, gas inlet, after that liquid outlet, that is nothing but residual parts, and this is nothing but liquid dispersed equipment. Now next example for gas dispersed equipment, that is agitated vessel. So you can see on the screen, in this figure we are having one vessel which is also having one pedal type agitator to increase the rate of the mass transfer. After that it is also consists of baffles to increase the turbulence, or I can say to increase the rate of the mass transfer. After that there is a motor to increase the speed of the agitator, followed by cooling jacket to maintain the temperature of the system. Okay, so this is nothing but agitated vessel, and this is used for the gas dispersed equipment where gas is dispersing through the liquid media. After that, next one is Venturi scrubber. So Venturi scrubber is the example for liquid dispersed equipment, and this is the figure for Venturi scrubber. You can see there are two sections. First one is a converging section, and second one is a diverging section. And whatever your feed is coming from the top section, that is nothing but converging section. And after dispersing, means after dispersing the liquid through the gaseous stream, after that you will get outlet stream from the diverging section. So this is all about Venturi scrubbers, agitated vessel, or I can say these all points are important for the gas liquid equipment. Those are the gas dispersed and liquid dispersed equipment. So what we have seen in this lecture, I have explained you related to the gas dispersed and liquid dispersed equipments. I am repeating, gas dispersed means gas is dispersing through the liquid media, and liquid dispersed means liquid is dispersing through the gaseous media. It means in gas dispersed, continuous flowing media is liquids, and in liquid dispersed, continuous flowing media is nothing but your gas. So this is all about this lecture. Thank you very much.